Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing another tutorial and I'm going to be using the Juvias Place palettes. This is going to be my first time trying them out, and I bought 4 of them, this one being the first one, the Warrior palette. So if you're more into neutral colors, you know, your warm tones and things like that, then this one would be perfect for you. So it has mattes and then it has some shimmers. And then I got this one, the Masquerade Mini, and this one also has, you know, warm tones, browns, and then it does have, you know, these 2 rows up here with more colorful colors. So you have your blue and your pink, and the Festival palette as well. And I bought this one because it had like this red color, and then this one, which they're colors that I don't have in any of my palettes. So yes, and I think this is the one that I'm going to be using today. I want to use this hot pink and maybe this white color to do like a cut crease, you know, kind of Valentine's Day theme. And then the last palette I got is the Magic Mini, and here are the tones. It has like these really pretty, you know, navy blue, and then this, it looks blue but it's like a dark purple. So yeah, I really like that. And then these shimmers are really pretty, like they're different, so that's why I got this one. And then also in my last 2 looks that I uploaded to Instagram, because I hadn't had time to upload on YouTube, but I was sent these lashes, and they are from the brand YLLashes. Okay, so in my last 2 looks that I uploaded to Instagram, I was using these lashes here. Well, in one of them here, these are what they look like, and it's in the style Rompecorazones. And then I also used these other ones in the other makeup look I did, and they are in the style Everyday. And that's what these look like. And these are 3D mink. They're called 3D mink effect. And then I also have these other 2 here. They come in different packaging. This is in the style Pretty, and that's what they look like. And those I haven't used as well. These I haven't used either. This is in the style Sensual. And then I have these other ones which I also haven't used. These are called Short but Feisty. So here they are. Okay, so yeah, those are the ones that I was sent by YLLashes, and so I still do have those other 3 styles that I need to try out, and I will be uploading looks with them soon to Instagram. And then also on my nails, I really am loving these nails. As you can see, they look like, you know, I went and got them done, but I didn't. They're actually these kiss nails, and they are like the new styles they're bringing out, the Masterpiece One of a Kind Luxe Mani. They look like this, and they're really, really pretty, and they're so shiny. They look like Swarovski crystals. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to the tutorial, and like I said, I'm gonna be using the Festival palette by Juvias Place, and I'm gonna be doing a look with these 2 colors. Okay, so the first brush I'm gonna be using is the Sigma Small Tapered Blending Brush in the number E45, as you can see here. And this is what the brush looks like. So it's just like a small brush. So what I'm gonna be doing with this brush is gonna be adding this color here, and I'm gonna be using this as a transition color. Well, it's gonna be my main color, so it's just gonna help me pack on the color here, and you're gonna see what I'm gonna do. But yeah, that's the first color I'm gonna be going in with. Okay, so I just wanted to point this out real quick, that whenever you are using pink colors like this, or like blue colors, I don't remember greens, but I don't remember right now, or purple shades, after removing it, well, I do recommend you to remove it with a like facial oil. That way most of the pigment will come off, because shadows like this, like these colors, they do tend to, you know, stain the eye, will stain the lid. And it doesn't matter if it's high-end or drugstore. I mean, they all do that. That's just, you know, what happens with these type of colors. So yeah, I just wanted to remind y'all that. What I'm going to be doing is going to be blending the shadow out. I'm going to try to blend it out with this. I've never tried to blend out any shadow with this, so I'm going to try to do that. If not, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using another brush, and I will show y'all. If it is a different brush, I'll show y'all the what brush I'm going to be using. So as you can see, I grabbed the concealer, added it to the lid, and cut the crease. So now I'm going to be going in with the shade is Uli, this one here, which is a white glittery shade, and that's what I'm going to be adding to the lid. I'm going to be adding it with the brush, the e.l.f. Professional Eyeshadow Brush. This is what the brush part looks like. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go in and set the concealer with this. So, and then I'm going to go back in, but this time I'm going to be wetting the brush and adding another layer. Okay, so just a heads up, after I added this white, I'm not sure what happened with the camera, but it started like changing up the colors of my makeup, my skin, and everything like that. Not sure what was going on. Maybe it was just too much color for the camera. I don't know. But yeah, just letting y'all know. And then also, like, I did have trouble getting a good picture of this makeup because of that. I am done adding the white. And now what I'm going to be doing, this is why I like to do my eyes first, because that way I can just, you know, I don't have to be worrying about getting the shadow on my face or anything like that. That way I can just, you know, be free with what I'm doing and not worry about anything. So now I'm going to get a wipe, a face wipe to clean this up. And then after that, I'm going to be going in with the Heavy Metal glitter liner and distortion. You don't have to use this, so I'm just using it to be able to stick this other glitter on. This one's from NYX, and it's in the color Ice. You could always just go in with like the glitter glue from Too Faced or NYX. You would add this with like a eyeliner brush like this, and then with the same one you would dip it in the glitter and then add it on. You could always also add your like lash glue that you have. If it's one of these, let me see. Okay, I don't have my white one, but you would obviously use a white one, but like the one like this with the brush, and you would just draw on the line that you want and go in with a brush like this and then add the glitter on top. Okay, so let me clean this up and then we'll start with the glitter process. So as you can see, I cleaned it up. So on this part here, it's up to you and, you know, your taste, how you want to keep this part. If you want to make it shorter, you can. So it's just, you know, it's just gonna depend on you. You don't have to do exactly what I'm doing here. You know, you can just make it shorter or whatever. So now what I'm going to be doing is going to be adding some of this Pretty Vulgar gel liner in the color black with this brush here from Estetica. So just use any liner brush, and I'm just going to be adding that on the lid. That way when we add the lashes, you don't see the lash band as much. So yeah, let me do that and then I'll be back. Okay, so I added some black liner. You don't have to do this, then you can just add the lashes if you want, but it just, for me, it just shows up better in pictures. So that's why I do this step. If not, if I was just gonna go out, then I wouldn't necessarily put it on, but just like I said, in order for it to look better in pictures, that's why I do it. So yes, now I'm gonna be using these lashes. Wait, let me see which ones I'm gonna use. Okay, so I'm going to be using the lashes in style Jeniffer, which are these. They're really pretty and full. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using. And these are from YLLashes. and you can find them under YLLashes on Facebook and on Instagram. And I do have a code, it's Jeniffer, for $5 off in order of 20 or more, and then as well as Jeniffer 10 for a purchase of, I believe it's 20 off of 50 or 60. It's one of those two, I'm not quite sure, but yeah, it's one of those. But I will be leaving all the information down in the description as well. Okay, so before putting on the lashes, I'm actually gonna be, like you see, I finished my face, and I'm gonna be adding a lip, and then I'll do the lashes at the end because I'm not sure which ones I'm gonna use. And as you can see, I did add some inner corner, like, so what I used, it says it's like a glitter, but it seems more like a pigment, and that's what I added here, and it does look like a bit, so on here you can see it looks white, but the way it reflects, it's like green. So if you don't want it to look like this, like give off a green shade, what you can do is add white here first and then put this on top. And I just added a bit of the Too Faced glitter glue. So I added some of this first and then added that pigment. And the way I added it was with this Luxie mini flat brush. So it's this brush here, and that's what it looks like. And so as you can see, the top part is just like round, so it's perfect to like get in right here and like, you know, have the perfect placement for it. So that's what I did. For lips, I'm going to be using these new YLLashes liquid lipsticks, so like this, and I'm not sure, I think this shade here, it's like a pinkish pink mauve shade, but it's a bit too light for my skin tone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this Jordana Coco Loco lip pencil, and it's like a brown shade. That way whenever I do place this on top, it's gonna, you know, darken it up, and hopefully it looks better with my skin tone. So I'm gonna do that, and yes, so yeah, let me do that real quick, and then I will do the lashes. Okay, so normally I wouldn't go for a lip like this with this pink look, but I guess it turned into a monochromatic look. As you can see, all pink shades. I don't know if I told y'all, but I decided to do pink eyes because I got inspired by my shirt, because I really didn't know what I was gonna do, but yeah. Okay, so I really liked this color. As you can see, it turned out to be a little bit darker because I added that lip liner, because by itself it wouldn't really go with my skin tone, but like this, it's really, I like it. I would wear it. This texture of the liquid lipstick is a little bit more wet. It's not as moussey as their regular formula, but it does feel a little bit more comfortable for me, in my opinion. My lips don't feel like they're like I can't move them, which is normally why I don't like wearing liquid lipsticks. I prefer a gloss, but this formula I like. So yeah, and then also it doesn't dry as fast, so you have more time to apply it, because there are some other liquid lipsticks that like you have to hurry and you know, put it on quickly, so that way you know, if you need to add a little bit more layers to a certain area, you're able to do that and it doesn't get all patchy. But yeah, so yes, I don't know if I'm gonna remove this and then add a different one for my pictures, but we'll see. So as you can see, lashes really do make a difference. Also, another thing that happened was I decided to use this duo glue in dark, so the glue is black. And when I was sticking on my lash, because this part here, it didn't stick well, so I took it off and I decided to add it onto the eye. I actually got like a little bit of black of the black glue on the eyelid, so I had to improvise, and because there was no way I could take it off without messing up the shadow, so I just ended up getting some of this black liner from the Pretty Vulgar, the one that I used for the lid, and the small little eyeliner brush from what is it, Estetica, and I turned it into a little heart, as you can see. And so I did it on this side as well. We're gonna do the bottom lash line now, and I'm just gonna be adding the pink shade that I added here up top. Okay, so this is the final result. As you see, it's pink, pink, and more pink. So it's perfect for Valentine's Day. It's something really cute. I mean, even though I ended up adding these little hearts on accident, I mean, it turned out really cute in my opinion, and with the glitter. So yeah, I mean, if you don't want to use these colors, you can use the colors that you want. Just follow the steps. And yeah, so if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments area, and then I will be leaving the information for the YLLashes, like the discount code and stuff like that. If you're interested, I'll leave them down below, as well as the colors that I used from this palette. That way, if you have it, you know, you can you'll know which colors I used. So yeah, well, I hope you liked the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Since I wasn't able to capture the white shimmer, well, here's a small little clip.